Rock.Paper.Draw.
Are you ready to draw the Easter Bunny with me? Let's go! I'm going to start by using black marker and drawing the outline of the Easter Bunny's chubby cheeks, ears, and pretty flower. Now onto the bunny's eyes, nose, and little mouth. And here is the outline of the Easter Bunny's arms and legs. Now for the bunny's fluffy tail. That's the outline done. On to painting my bunny. I am starting with painting the ears. I am using a blue color. Now the paws, belly, and part of the tail. Time for the rosy cheeks. I am using a light pink color for these. And now for the flower. I am using the light pink color and a yellow color. Now for some shading. I am using a light blue color. Shading helps to add some extra texture to my drawing. I have my black marker again, and I'm going over areas of my picture to help them to stand out. Now for the Easter Bunny's Easter eggs. I love Easter eggs. Do you? This Easter egg is going to be a striped design. And this Easter egg is going to be a polka dot design. Now to paint my eggs, I am using an orange and yellow color to do the stripes. And now for the polka dot egg, I am doing a green color for the egg and a yellow color for the dots. Now I am going over the dots with a white color to change the shade. I am using my black marker to go over the outside of the dots. And that's it. I'm all finished. My Easter bunny with the Easter eggs looks so cute. Do you like it? Check out my Pikachu video to see the Pokemon character come to life. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and get in touch by commenting with what drawings you would like to see me do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.